In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view charts on Mailchimp in 2025. This guide will walk you through the new process of accessing and interpreting your Mailchimp data, ensuring you gather the insights you need to optimize your email campaigns effectively. Whether you're analyzing your email performance or checking on subscriber growth, we'll provide you with the steps to make informed decisions. First things first, log into your Mailchimp account. Start by heading over to Mailchimp.com and signing in with your credentials. As you enter the platform, you'll be presented with the dashboard, your central hub for everything Mailchimp. Here, you'll see various options, but today our focus will be on exploring charts and data. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to either the campaigns or the audience section depending on what data you are interested in analyzing. If you wish to view charts related to your email performances, click on Campaigns. This section provides insights into how your recent emails have been performing. On the other hand, if you want to dive into subscriber statistics, choose Audience. This will direct you to valuable data concerning your total audience size, subscriber growth, and more. Now let's take a deeper dive into viewing a specific report. To do this, open a specific campaign or report by clicking on the name of the campaign that you'd like to analyze in more detail. Selecting a campaign will bring you to the campaign report, where all the statistical magic happens. It's here you'll see the performance metrics that matter most. In the campaign report, you'll find an array of interactive charts and graphs. These visual tools are essential for understanding your campaign's success. For instance, you'll encounter the open rate chart, which reveals the percentage of recipients who opened your email. This is a key metric to track engagement levels. Right alongside, you'll see the click rate chart, totally crucial for assessing how many recipients clicked on links within your email. Don't forget to examine your bounce rate, which indicates emails that didn't reach their destinations. This tells you about the health of your mailing list. Another important set of data involves subscriber growth. This chart will make it evident how many new signups you have, how many have unsubscribed, and what your net audience change looks like. Furthermore, you can delve into engagement over time charts. These provide insights on clicks and opens by specific days or times, so you can determine when your audience is most active. Remember, for even more detailed insights, you can hover over these charts to view exact numbers, giving you the precision needed to tweak future strategies. Mailchimp allows you to drill down with just a few clicks for the stats needed to improve your outreach and engagement. With these tools and your keen analysis, you'll be well equipped to make data-driven decisions, leveraging Mailchimp's powerful capabilities to maximize your marketing success. Happy analyzing!